Ever thought about what would be the single most practical step to make the most amount of change towards the good shit in humanity, in society? What would be that step? Would it be destroy the society? Because in the society, human being can be a real human ass being. Would it be start eating raw chicken? Because raw chicken, raw meat, changes human biochemistry. And humans become way more based when you eat raw meat. It really comes all down to really the biochemistry, because that's how you feel good or you feel bad. And you gotta look at the things that make the biochemistry work like charm. It's this freaking classical music symphony of chemistry going inside of your body. You freaking Mozart inside of yourself when you do the right shit. But at this point, everybody's inside that mumble rap. All about that gangster shit, and nobody even understands what's going on because you're mumbling inside of yourself. Your cells don't know what the fuck is going on because the signals inside of you, they're mumbling. You have a nerve damage. So really it all comes down to what makes the most amount of difference in human beings' biochemistry, in spirit, you could say also. I kind of see those things kind of hand in hand. Maybe the spiritual element is out of your body a little bit, kind of hovering over you, your consciousness or whatever. Or it's a completely different thing. But still that spiritual thing changes your biochemistry because you feel that magical spiritual feeling. Now you also gotta remember that the change has to come without any sacrifice. That would be the best, or the minimal sacrifices possible, because sometimes you can make that symphony happening inside of yourself, but it comes with a great cost because you didn't follow the rules. You kind of cheated yourself into that state of being, doing some fucked up shit because your introspection skills are mumble rapping. They're not freaking Beethoven or anything like that. They ain't on those healing frequencies, they're on those destroying frequencies. So what do you think? What would be the best single step to take to start killing those mumble rappers? my mind works. I can always jump around with my classic Gemini now. And now I forget what I was about to tell. It was some groundbreaking shit. Oh yeah. The arts, and the sciences, they freaking suck these days. I haven't seen any good movies that have come out like the last couple years. All the good movies were from the fucking 90s, early 2000s. There were a couple in the 2010s. But it just seems like everything is fucking going down. The TV shows kinda going down. Or maybe I just don't give a shit and haven't looked around. But that's kinda how it seems like it. There's no good stories anymore. Everybody doing this nofap and semen retention, channeling that sexual energy in the seventh chakra and beyond. But who the fuck is building cathedrals and making those symphonies like Mozart and Beethoven these days? Nobody. What the fuck is going on with that? Anyway, see you in the next one.